This bracket is supposed to be flat, but they keep pulling on this door so hard it is bent down. So we're gonna figure out how to brace this where they can't pull it down anymore. So I got the plate off and I got a hole started roughly where I want to put a bolt through. All right, got my plate straight. Went ahead and shot it with some flat black, and I'm getting ready to paint a spacer to go on the top side. All right, so these two screws are 4-inch masonry screws. Drill through here, put another 4-inch masonry screw with a nice little spacer on top. Kind of blurry, put it back together. And it latches.